Student, I'm Veena Dikshit. Please like and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. All the best. Get success, my child. Here we discuss criteria for increased acidity of aromatic acid, that is benzoic acid. So first of all, pK value should be lower. So higher value of Ka should be there. What is Ka? This is dissociation constant, and this is a number. If this number is lower, so the compound is acidic. If it is higher, so compound will be basic. Okay, so lower pK value, higher acidity. Why? Because pK and Ka are inversely related. pK is equal to minus log Bristol Ka. So if pKa is lower, so Ka will be higher. So higher will be the acid, Ka stronger will be the acid. Okay, now second is after donation of acidic hydrogen, it will release H positive ions also, and the conjugate carboxylate ion left behind, it must be stable. If conjugate carboxylate ion is stable, so the compound will be highly acidic. Clear? What does it mean? Think about conjugate base. Conjugate base, if stable, so here conjugate carboxylate ion I have written. You can write down that is acting as base because H positive is removed. So conjugate base will say conjugate base of carboxylic acid. If it is stable, so it will be stronger acid. And next, fourth point is, 4 points are there. Electron withdrawing group increases acidity and electron releasing group decreases acidity. Okay, अब see here, benzene ring in benzoic acid allows the negative charge on the carboxylate ion to delocalize and resonance stabilize. All of you know that this benzoic acid is resonance stabilized. Okay, and when H positive is released, it is more. Carboxylate ion is more resonance stabilized, so it will be more stable conjugate base, so H positive release will be easy in benzoate ion. Now here we are talking about some substituents are present. For example, electron withdrawing group is present, then what will happen? When electron withdrawing group is present, it will increase acidity. I told you. When electron releasing group is present in the benzene, it will decrease the acidity. Okay, now see, if electron releasing group methoxy, for example, methoxy group, it is electron releasing group. What will it happen? Electron donating group, it stabilizes the destabilize. Okay, so this will destabilize the carboxylate ion, that is conjugate base, so that it will be less acidic as compared to benzoic acid. Again I repeat, methoxy ion destabilizes the carboxylate ion, that is conjugate base of acid, so that it is less acidic.